Yo, we're at Johnny Rockets. There's a lot of music. I don't know if you can hear me, but this place is awesome. Got my friend here. He works there.
Johnny, welcome to Johnny Rockets, guys.
It's worth the money. We get unlimited fries.
Unlimited fries and side salad. And side salad. Unlimited fries and side salad.
Awesome. I should get side salad.
Oh, shoot. Hey, go for it.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's mine. Oh, this stuff. Oh yeah, I just brought my new longboard. I know it makes no sense to have a longboard and have a skater design on it, but it's a sticker, okay? I like that design. Like $9, like the cheesesteak and unlimited fries. It came with like 2 sizes. Like if you did another half like this, it was big. I gave half to him.
Oh, yeah.
Got big, small from it. Say no, I'm joking. I gave half to him. It's unlimited fries. How many places that you know can have unlimited fries inside salad?
Except the buffet.
Except the buffet, yeah. Unlimited fries and unlimited side salad. And they got some beautiful girls that works here. Sexy. And Cliff, my friend Cliff trying to flirt with that one right there. He's trying to flirt with her there. She got some beautiful eyes over there.
No, put this on YouTube.
Huh? Whoa! What the fuck? Say no, I'm joking. It's nice. Got that old style look to it. It's funny because everything is all white and I always wear all black. I'm like the main person that sticks out. I can't work here. It's like the complete opposite of me. But yeah. Oh yeah. My friend Cliff right here, he's trying to get with that girl right there. And honestly, they would make a good match. Like, her and him, yup, they'll make a good match. But yeah, Johnny Rockets is awesome. You can choose your music too. It's a lot of money though, but hey, it's worth the money.
If you look at it like this, it's worth it's worth your every penny. Bro.
Because they got a lot of things that comes with unlimited fries and side salads. So, yeah, it's good. Play now. Well, see, I gotta get done eating. Peace.